Hey guys, my name is Max and today I'm in Chiang Rai. I'm going to ride some bicycle. So here's my bicycle. It's a simple one, nothing special, but it's okay to ride these roads. Just rode my first 3 kilometers here in Chiang Rai and it's through the city and I'm in suburbs. And here's actually in suburbs, quite nice road. It's almost empty now. There's little traffic, but not such a big problem. The road looks pretty bike friendly, if you're an experienced driver. It's not that bad as it says driving in Thailand. This traffic is good. I don't feel any problems. I have more 12 minutes to go to the White Temple. So let's see how it will work out for me. I put the bicycle at the parking and then went to the White Temple. Funny thing, I left my GoPro there. After 20 minutes I returned and it was still there. That's it for White Temple. It's time to get back to the bicycle and ride to the Singha Park. Time to get back on the road. Just 5 kilometers up to Singha Park. And I hope there will be less people and be more nature to see. And maybe some beer, Singha beer. That's a Thai countryside. There's nothing here, just rice fields, some cows, some buffaloes, and people doing the agriculture, doing rice. And I'm just riding here on a bike, exploring. Singha Park is an agricultural park which contains different farms and tea plantation. It's named after the same name company which produce beer and other food. So here's the map. The journey starts here and here is the lake. This all is the bike road, which are very nice. The whole circle is 9 kilometers and it takes about half an hour to ride it. So I just ride up to the Singha Park and I have no idea what's going on here. But the bike road is pretty good. So I'm starting on it and wonder where it got me. Here's one of the stops in the Singha Park and here you can see my bicycle and the view around, which is pretty cool. It's peaceful here and green. And here's little tea plantation, which is very cool too. So this is all of the cool stuff of this park, just to ride the bike around this beautiful green area and to see what agricultural things can be done in Chiang Rai area. So here it was a countryside burger house with good burger and a beer. They didn't have like Singha beer, but Leo was actually pretty good. And it's time to... I had like my break, and it's time to get on the bicycle and ride home and explore park a little bit too. It looks like the barn and the zip line and the burger shop was like was final stop, and now the road goes back, so I have like no way but just to ride back. I think the way is a little different, which is good, so I hope I see something, maybe something more. There's like a fazenda here, which is beautiful. So the last thing to do here is to visit the Singha's emblem. Back I found this good spot, which is a lake, and here's like a green area and around a lot of rice fields and other countryside stuff. So I decided to fly my drone a little bit around, and it was quite good experience. Check it out. But now it's time to go to Chiang Rai and get the bicycle to the rent. And I think that's like this for the day, so... After I successfully ride another 10 km to Chiang Rai and managed to return back my bicycle after 6 PM. Thank you for watching, please give it a like and write a comment. See you in another video.